And so I'd love to have you kind of talk about that, what you've done there, but then slide over, parallel to then talk about why you thought that this particular product and Nobio and Infinix was going to be a game changer in this new ecosystem that you guys are going to build with Dytron.
One of the things that I always tell everybody, I'm a note taker, so I took notes. So if you see me looking away, that's what I'm doing. You really hit on a concept that has really changed in my tenure in the industry. I don't like to say 30 years, but it's roughly around 30 years. I started out as a sales rep. There is a huge evolution with patients. There's a huge evolution on the understanding, and I'm not a clinician, on the understanding of your oral health and the impact that the oral health has on the rest of your body. And so what we have is we have an educated patient. So when you start to talk about some of these game-changing things, like Infinix, as we talk about, is antibacterial. People start to understand that 10, 15 years ago, they might not. They understand where this might fit into the ecosystem. And so Infinix is a product that is a composite, that is the only FDA approved product, antibacterial, to fight caries.